everyone doing today? Today I'm doing a Wishes Candle Co. mystery box unboxing. Basically, they're mystery candles. I know that they have a subscription, but this isn't their subscription. It's just mystery candles. What do you want, Peaches?
She just wants attention. She says, "I love you, Mama." She's a good dog.
Oh yeah, Peaches says hello. He also says, "Give me all the love." Okay, so this says www.wishescandleco.com, Wishes Candle Co. Oh yeah, I opened the box trying to figure out what this thing was. And it says, thank you so much. Instructions for candle orders. On the first burn, always let the hot wax reach all ends of a candle. Trim your wick to 1/4 inch as needed. Never burn your candle past a 1/2 inch of total wax in the jar. Always extinguish your flame before removing a prize and never directly touch hot wax. And never burn your candle for longer than 4 hours at a time. And it says, take us in your photos, socials at Wishes Candle Co. And it says, for more information, scan phone camera here. And caution, never leave flame unattended or near children or pets. That's what's on top is a whole bunch of peanuts. Pink peanuts. I thought I ordered 3 of these, but apparently I ordered actually 4 of these.
Or maybe one's a bonus.
Because it was like really on sale. I think it was like $16.50 a candle, and that's why I ended up getting them. And these are the ones that come with a mystery pin inside. So this first one is a yacht and beach candle.
Oh, like Yacht Club or something.
Yacht and Beach Club.
Yeah, okay.
Resort at Disney World.
Thank you. I couldn't remember the name of that.
And it smells watery.
Like seawater, you know. Makes sense.
And pretty and glittery. It smells really pretty. You gonna smell it?
Yeah. No. It's a fresh, it's a fresh, seawater. Not a bunch of seaweed smells. It's fresh. Or who would want to burn seaweed? Hey, it's just thought of it. It's an idea. It's just something that pops.
You know, I like the smell of water, right? And that I eat a lot of seaweed.
Eating seaweed, not burning seaweed.
And the second one. This one is a Pirate's Rum.
Hey. I wonder what that's inspired by.
Probably Pirates of the Caribbean.
You mean Jack Sparrow, most likely.
Oh, that smells so good. Have I ever tried rum?
I don't know. But there's butter rum lifesavers. It does remind me of butter rum lifesavers. One of my favorites.
Okay. The next one is pinkish. This one says Big Top Souvenirs. I wonder, is it going to smell like cotton candy?
Probably.
It's pink like cotton candy. Oh, and it's pink glittery too. It's glittery. Is that cotton candy?
That shit probably is. Yeah, that's cotton candy.
Okay. And then the last one is blue. This one says, the laughing place. Can anyone guess what that's supposed to smell like?
I was even get it to smell like Briar Patch.
It's got like black glitter. Smells like water.
It is a water ride. It sort of smells like water, but something else. And it's actually this is more of a purplish, not black.
It looks black.
Yeah, but
that might be because we're kind of in the dark.
Yeah, like I said, when I put it here, it's much brighter. When I put it closer to the light, that's how I could tell. Yeah.
Out of all of those, I'd have to say my favorite would be the Pirate's Room. What about you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe with the bell on.